we're going to show you how to make tomato and basil pasta. Instructions. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook the pasta according to the package instructions. 2. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the cherry tomatoes and cook until they are soft and starting to burst, about 5 to 7 minutes. 3. Drain the pasta and add it to the skillet with the cherry tomatoes. Toss to combine. 4. Stir in the chopped basil and season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Serve the pasta hot, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese if desired.